Tell me how, and I'll do it, babe. I love it when you whisper in my ear, words only meant for me to hear. Promise that your secret's safe with me. You're the only reason, yes, you're the only reason. Baby, you're the answer to my prayers. Feeling like the world's in our hands. Now I know that this is meant to be. You're the only reason, yes, you're the only reason I am free.
Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and make the faux plant now. We're using faux plant. I'm gonna make the wreath for the front door, the spring wreath for the front door. I'll show you what I picked up. I picked up this cute little cotton carrot patch sign from the Dollar Tree, guys. Yeah, picked it up from the Dollar Tree. I think it was like $125. And then I picked up this really cute, yeah, look y'all. It's shaped like an egg. It's so freaking cute. I picked this up from Hobby Lobby. It was $10, $9.99. And then I picked up these really pretty flowers from Michael's. Yeah. Focus. Can I get it to focus? There we go. So I picked up this really pretty branch. Picked up 2 of these, and I picked up 2 of these. Let me see. I don't know what they're called. These are bush green. How much? I want to tear it up, y'all, but this is what they look like. And then I picked up 2 of these. So I'm gonna do a combination of these 2 on the wreath. So I'll show you guys how I put my wreaths together. And I also picked up a couple of these to kind of secure the sign to the wreath. I don't know, I can't, I lost my train of thought, y'all. I'm gonna show you what I picked up for fall. Again, not very much. I'll show you what I got. I mean for spring. I picked up this really cute one, you guys, for $14.99 at home. I'm hanging this above the stove. How cute is that? So heavy. I picked up this cute plaid and this here, can you see it? I picked up this one from At Home. It was $24.99 for both of them. You can't beat it. And I also have this cute little Easter towels I hang on my stove. And I don't know how much these were. I think I paid like $4 for them. I got them last year when Easter sale, when everything went on sale for Easter last year. I picked a couple of them up for these. Like, this is one of the ones I picked up. I also picked up these. Look how cute these little placemats are. So freaking cute. And it has this style, and then oh my god, y'all, look at this one. This style, so freaking cute. So I picked both of these. I picked these up last year during the sale as well. So they were originally, you can see, $9.99. I paid like maybe $4 for them, $5. You just can't beat that. Look how cute that is. I picked up 4 of those to go on the dining room table, and that's pretty much it for the inside of the house. Again, I am going to do the front porch, the flower pots. I'll show you guys that. But yeah, that's pretty much what I'm going to do. So I'm going to show you guys how I make my wreath for the front door. So just stay tuned.
Can't relate. I still wanna come to know that it's not too late. I know I made mistakes, I know I lied. I should have noticed, yeah, I should have tried. And all the loving that I just ignored, I'm gonna revive it, I'm gonna revive it. Come now, give me a moment, 'cause you know about the place I'm from. Let me in, let me show it, all the things that we can become. I know I made mistakes, I know I lied. I should have noticed, yeah, I should have tried. And all the loving that I just ignored, I'm gonna revive it, I'm gonna revive it. I know I made mistakes, I know I lied. I should have noticed, yeah, I should have tried. And all the loving that I just ignored, I'm gonna revive it, I'm gonna revive it.
Let me know in the comments below. Anytime I get ready to put any new decor, I have to kind of wipe everything down and get everything clean. Let me know if you guys do that as well. Can you guys just come in and pop out the new decor and put it over without kind of wiping everything down? For some reason, this kitchen, I don't know, it's because it's like the heart of the home. It gets so dirty. My son, he eats and he does not wipe up his mess, so I'm constantly having to wipe it down. But yeah, every time I'm getting ready to put any new decor out, I always kind of wipe everything down, give everything a good wipe down with my Meyer spray, and just kind of make sure that it's all clean and fresh for the new decor. Alright guys, and it's the next day and it's time to tackle this front porch. How cute did those planters turn out? I ended up using some bare finishing paint to give it that aged antique look, and it turned out really cute. You guys can see baby Wyatt and my mother-in-law standing in the door. They're watching me put the porch together. How cute is he trying to figure out what I'm doing and want to come out and help. But yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and just fill my planters up with the plants I got from Lowe's. And yeah, I'm going to show you guys how I kind of spruce up the front porch. Pretty much everything I purchased for the front porch were either from Lowe's or from At Home. I ended up getting both of my rugs, as you guys will see in a few minutes, from At Home. I paid $24 for both of those rugs. It came as a set. And again, I already had the planters. I just kind of DIY'd those with some finishing paint. And I picked up the plants from Lowe's, and also my welcome sign I purchased years ago from someone on Facebook Market when I first moved into the house. I just kind of continue to use that same one. Eventually I will change it out, but for now it still works, so I'm using that same welcome sign. And I did not tackle the flower beds in this video. That'll be probably another video, because again, you guys know I'm getting ready to tackle the outdoor like makeover in my whole front yard and backyard, so that'll probably touch doing that video. But right now we're just kind of sprucing up the front porch area. Those lanterns you see me putting, I end up using those for my Christmas decor back last year, and I'm just kind of repurposed those for this spring decor. I think I ended up getting those from At Home as well. So everything is pretty much what I already had, and just kind of add a couple of new pieces to kind of finish off the look. Alright, you guys, and this is the final look. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think. Thank you guys so much for clicking on the video and watching. If you have not hit that subscribe button, make sure you do so. I would love to have you as a part of the At Home with Chic family, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.